Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete or see all cookies and site data in the Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage all your browser configurations and privacy options. Once the settings page opens, take a look at the left panel. You'll see several categories listed there, and you'll want to click on Privacy and Security. This section is essential because it contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, cookies, and security settings. Clicking on Privacy and Security gives you control over what information your browser stores and how it handles your online activity. Next, you'll see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to remove various types of stored information from your browser, including your browsing history, cached files, and of course, cookies. It's a powerful tool for clearing out old data and protecting your privacy. After clicking Delete Browsing Data, you'll need to specify the time range for the data you want to delete. Look for the time range dropdown and click on All Time. Selecting All Time ensures that you're removing every single cookie and piece of site data stored in your browser, not just recent ones. This is the most thorough option available. Now, here's an important step. You'll see several checkboxes for different types of data like browsing history, cached images, and cookies. What you want to do is uncheck everything first. Then only check the box that says cookies and other site data. This ensures you're only deleting cookies and site data without affecting your browsing history or other saved information. It's a targeted approach that keeps your other data intact while clearing out the cookies. Once you've made sure only cookies and other site data is checked, click the button that says Delete from this device. After clicking, you'll need to wait a moment while Brave processes your request and clears all the stored cookies and site data from your browser. This might take a few seconds depending on how much data you have accumulated over time. Now, if you want to see all your cookies and site data before deleting anything, there's another way to access that information. Click on Site and Shield Settings. This opens up a more detailed view of how Brave handles permissions and data for different websites. From here, if you want to see all your cookies and site data, click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This will display a comprehensive list of every website that has stored cookies or data in your browser. You can see exactly which sites are keeping information and how much data each one has stored. If you want to delete data from a specific website rather than all of them at once, this is where you do it. Find the website you want to delete from the list. Right beside the website name, you'll see a trash icon. Click on that trash icon, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete that site's data. Click Delete to confirm, and Brave will remove all cookies and data from that specific website while leaving everything else untouched. And that's it. You now know how to delete all cookies and site data in Brave, as well as how to view and selectively remove data from specific websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.